Hello guys, molweni bethunana. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about ilobola ka number 5 to our very own Uthando Nesithembu. Hey guys, over 50 cow were given to Khwela family ibuya kaBomusa. 50 cows, guys, in over 50 cows, not even 50, over 50 cows. We can see here the unseen footage ka 2023. Umuntu lo ulotsholwe ngo 2023, not even 2024, 2023 December. So we can see here uMusa also acela uSneh. Oh, I love this father and daughter bond that is happening between uSneh no Musa. It's good for uSneh. It's boosting her confidence. Nje uyambona ugele ukuthi ujabulile nkosi yami. Ujabulile. So uMusa is sitting here telling her ukubana she must get iduku namaphinifa yonke into nje ezomenza ukuthi abonakala ukuthi hayi uzomembesa uMakhwela. So she is happy, as uMusa is explaining to uSneh ukubana, as you know ukubana anisena sisi. Oh, what happened kuMusa nosisi wakhe? Cause ngathi nje kukhona nje uSneh that kept on saying ukubana I know ngiyazi baba, you don't have to explain what happened between you and your sister. Guys, so what happened between uMusa Mseleko and udadewabo? Anyway, at least now uyazi ukubana uSneh is here to take this position ayibambe ngezandla zombili ukubana she's gonna do her very best to make utatakhe abe proud, ukubana abe ngomunye wabakhongi mase kusiye sekuyiwa koMakhwela. Because apparently the lobola negotiations that were done in 2023, everything was done in a rush, so they didn't get to do everything that needed to be done. So this is why they are doing it now, planned and kunesikhathi, and everything's planned properly. Ay uyeza unumber 5 uzoze angene. Uzoze angene unumber 5 edemsele ku-homestead. Whether bayamalela or abamaleli, okusalayo uzongena. You can see here uSneh is explaining nayo ukubana hayi shem uhappy shem, okukhombisa ukubana uMseleko uyamthemba ke uSneh ukubana she'll be able to handle this, because these are like big responsibilities. So for uMseleko ukuthi aphe uSneh such responsibilities, so uyazi ukuthi she'll be able to ukubana ayikhona ukwenza yonke into ngendlela okumele ayenze. Because hayi siyamazi phela uNtombo ugeli nje hayi no. So naye nje iyamjabulisa lento leyo ukuthi she feels like her dad finally recognized her, besides laba abanye abantwana bakhe abongwe abompumelelo kari nje he has been spending like, not ukuthi uthanda bona ukudlula uSneh, but they're like more responsible. So obviously you would want to always put those people that are responsible first kunalaba abanye that are kind of reckless, because you don't trust them ukubana are they going to be able to do what I asked them to do. So we can see here uMseleko nakhona still explaining ukubana usisi wakhe waya because babeyebheza ngomeni kumbeni kwakutheni abamxelela ukubana uMusa had something bad to do, none. So uMusa still does not look well here. You can see it in his eyes. Shem, he still doesn't look good. He doesn't look like fully recovered. As Abongwe was explaining, Bana, I can see it in my daddy's eyes. Bana, he's still not okay. And apparently his speech also, now he speaks slower than he usually do. You can hear it even when cameras are rolling. Bana, ngathi nokuba nokungathi uyangingiza nyana. No wonder bekayenza umsebenzi to be thankful of his life, because this seems like it was a big deal. Ubegulile nyani umseleko nkosi yami, ubegulile. He was that critical nkosi yami. So we can see lana usachazela uSne bana she needs to prepare everything that needs to be prepared, like bomaduku, bomaphinifa, so that they look presentable nabakhongi. And he is still explaining bana what happened between yena nosisi wakhe, ukuthi wahamba abantu bamtshela ukuthi hayi akaphumeleli because kunabantu abafuna ukumcikela phansi. Hey, awanda ukuthi obani labo bantu? Do labo bantu labo ngomusa? Hey, family drama guys, family drama. I can write my own book with family drama. We totally understand, nkosi yami. We totally understand. Ibile, it's like a norm ukubana some families they get along, some they don't. And I feel like the more you try and fix things with families, like the more you keep on fighting even more. So sometimes there's an extent that you get there and you're like, okay, let it be. Live your life, I'll live my own life. Sizobonana man, ayiqabene. Continue with your life, I'll continue with mine. Because if people don't do that, which means sekuzomele manje sibe sipretendelana kari I like you, okanye nawe kwamele upretende ukubana you like me, and we don't have to. Hey, we do not have to. So yeah, njengoba asho ke uMusa ukuthi hayi usisi wakhe wahamba kena ebantwini bayomxelela ukubana umndeni wakhe, usapho lwakhe lona olumenza ukubana angaphumeleli. Kanti hayi, kusho uMusa ukuthi hayi ezinye izinto kuyabe kuhlangene nokuthi what are the life decision and life choices that you are making wena self as an individual before umndeni wakho ucikela phansi, wena self uzenzeleni. So yeah, hey, family drama, it's very tricky. It is very tricky. But nangoko nje we still surprised ukubana over 50 cows were paid kuMakhwela. Over 50 cows, nkosi yami. 50 cows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 50 cows. How? Oh, Thixo. Asethembe ukubana a worth of 50 cows will come with the happiness also. Because ngathi nje hayi ibhodo libekiwe nje estofini kancane kancinci libashushu uyolikhona uMakhwela ile bhodo leli abambekele lona, ngoba ngathi hayi libashushu kancane uMayeni noMangwabe continues to disagree with the number 5. Abonwabanga tu. They are not happy at all. We can see now bana uMakhumalo naye has joined the other two wives, uMakhumalo, uMangwabe noMayeni. They are fuming. Hey, they are ganging up on uMacele about a voice note. You guys, you can see uMseleku here continues to explain to Sneh ubana she must go and show uMakhwela ukubana how to dress with, how to cover her head with iduku and nokubekela-ke amaphinifa nokugqoka nje ubana umakoti kwamele anxibe-ke intombi ahlonipheke abonakale ukubana hayi nyani she is a respectful wife, one of the Mseleku's wives ngesintu ngesiZulu. Uyaqhubeka ke uMseleku la achaza ukubana kwathi kuyiwe lobolwa ngo-2023 into kwavese kwaba yinto nje eyasuka yayenzwa ngento yokushesha nje, kwaba yinto yokushesha ukubana they didn't even script that because at that moment as well it was still something that they don't want the world to see yet, I guess. You can see here uSneh also emphasizing ukubana you'll never disappoint uMseleku. You will do her best, she will do her best ukubana ubabakhe abe proud ngaye, ukuthi ubabakhe angasoli ngalesi nqumo ayabe asithathile sokubana amkhethe uSneh ukubana ayoba ngomunye ayokhapha abakhongi. So yeah, uzimisele nyani uSneh. Like this time around you can see also like they are having a proper maturity conversation between uSneh no Mseleku. They are sitting down having an adult conversation, having a father and daughter conversation, ukubonisa khona ukubana ayi nyani umusa sekamethembe impela uSneh ukuthi hayi angeke amphoxe kulesicelo sekasicelile wasibeka etafuleni ukuthi he would really like uSneh ukubana abe ingxenye yabakhongi. uMakhwela yena over 50,000. So mase sizibeka le nkomo ukubana 50 times 50 times 5 imalini inkomo eyi-1 guys. Does anyone know how much is 1 cow? How much is 1 cow guys? Wow. So let's say maybe 1 cow is like 5,000 or it's 8,000. Are they 10,000? Imagine if 1 cow is actually 10k. 10,000 times 50. Hey. Guys, wow. She's beautiful. She's young. She might really have to come with that kind of a price tag. Is that why uMakhumalo is now furious ukubana njani ukhupha le mali engaka, imali esiyisebenzelako sonke kulomndeni? As she always say that everyone works here. So manje siyokhitshwa boma $500,000 uyekhokha ilobola. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.